Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best miter saw stand on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. BOSCH Portable Gravity Rise Wheeled Miter Saw Stand T4B. BOSCH expanded its patented and award-winning technology to develop and introduce the new Gravity Rise T4B portable miter saw stand. Smart, durable, and simple to use, professionals never need to worry about how to set up or carry their miter saw ever again. The T4B features the same BOSCH patented Gravity Rise system as the industry's award-winning TS2000 Gravity Rise table saw stand. Unlike other miter saw stands, the BOSCH Gravity Rise system is practically effortless and allows for rapid setup and breakdown in seconds. With a simple turn of the release lever and the user's guidance, the weight and balance smoothly raise the heavy-gauge steel and aluminum constructed stand and saw into a working position. Set the leveling feet for uneven terrain and professionals are ready to get to work. Turn the same release lever again, and the entire stand folds into a pushcart design, complete with 8-inch pneumatic wheels, perfect for transporting the saw over rough terrain from one location to the next. The T4B utilizes an aluminum support rail and special universal rapid release tool mounts designed to attach to the base of all BOSCH and most competitors' miter saws. These mounts allow any user to quickly attach or detach the saw to the stand. And rubber feet prevent scratches when placing the tool on a cabinet top or bench. The same support rails expand for 18 feet total material support, the highest among fully portable units. For users cutting long pieces of molding or flooring, this kind of support is priceless. Adjustable repetitive stops and table support also allow the stand to adapt to varying applications and saws. Our list at number 2. WEN MSA 330 Collapsible Rolling Miter Saw Stand with 3 onboard outlets. Remember when you could adequately support both your miter saw and your workpiece? With the WEN Collapsible Rolling Miter Saw Stand, you'll have a sturdy and reliable support system for all your sewing needs. 3 pre-mounted 120V outlets provide you up to 15 amps of power, meeting the needs of saws and tools of all sizes. 2 8-inch never-flat wheels combine with a foldable design for a safe and easy transportation and storage solution. The sliding arms extend anywhere from 32 to 79 inches in width, providing support for boards up to 10.5 feet long. Quick release brackets tightly lock the miter saw in place for simple installation and adjustments. The 1.5-inch diameter steel frame provides over 330 pounds of support to your saw and materials, while the powder-coated finish prevents corrosion and marring to the stand's body. Adjust the height of the detachable rollers to best match the specific requirements of your project. Both rollers also operate as work stops, helping make consistent and even cuts every time. The universal design allows for compatibility with the majority of miter saws on the market, including the entire WEN miter saw series. If you want to know whether or not your particular miter saw will fit onto the WEN rolling miter saw stand, simply measure the distance between the front and back mounting holes. If this distance is less than 15 inches and on a centerline, the stand will fit. And because it's a WEN product, your miter saw stand comes backed by a 2-year warranty, a nationwide network of skilled service technicians, and a friendly customer helpline, all to make sure you remember WEN. Our list at number 3. Protocol Equipment Contractor Miter Saw Workstation. You're all about earning sweat equity, but to be efficient on the job, you need equipment that will work as hard as you. Good thing the Protocol Equipment WS077 Contractor Miter Saw Workstation always outperforms its competitors. Constructed of high-grade and corrosion-resistant, powder-coated steel, this stand has a 500-pound weight capacity, and the adjustable tool mount brackets work with most brands of miter saws and other benchtop tools. The tool mounts have a sliding rail that lets you adjust the center of gravity of any mounted tool and create a steady foundation while cutting. The tubular, powder-coated steel legs are capped for use on finished surfaces and have quick-release levers for easy setup and takedown. One pair of legs feature fold-down storage brackets that can hold a variety of builder materials. The top width adjusts from 35 inches to 77 inches, allowing for an extensive workload. There's a convenient carrying handle and sturdy wheels that make transporting this workstation effortless. Protocol tools are designed to exceed the requirements of entry-level pro contractors and DE customers shopping in select retailers. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.